Ever wondered how SEO has evolved from 2023 to 2024? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating shifts in search engine optimization strategies over the past year. It's been a whirlwind of change, from the way we approach keyword optimization and backlinking to how we gauge the quality of our content. 2023 was a year when stuffing keywords into content could still get you some traction. Fast forward to 2024 and the game has changed dramatically. The sophisticated algorithms of search engines now demand more. They're looking for signals of a great user experience. Think snappy page load speed, mobile friendliness, and how long users dwell on your page. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll also delve into the rise of entities in semantic search, the shift towards holistic SEO strategies, and what the future holds for SEO. So, buckle up as we take a journey through the evolution of SEO. Let's rewind to 2023 when SEO was all about keyword optimization, backlinking, and content quality. This was a time when the focus was on using the right keywords strategically in your content, earning high-quality backlinks from reputable sites, and creating valuable content that provided a great user experience. Back then, keyword optimization was crucial. This meant researching and using words and phrases that your target audience was typing into search engines. But it wasn't just about stuffing as many keywords into your content as possible. It was about integrating them naturally, providing valuable context and ensuring the content was still engaging and readable. Now let's talk about backlinking. In 2023, backlinks were like votes of confidence from other sites. The more high-quality backlinks a web page had, the more likely it was to rank well in search engine results. But as with keywords, quality mattered more than quantity. A single backlink from a highly respected site could be more valuable than hundreds from low-quality sources. And of course, we can't forget about content quality. In 2023, search engines were already pretty good at recognizing and rewarding high-quality content. This meant content that was original, informative, and provided a positive user experience. It wasn't enough to just write for search engines. You also had to write for your audience, addressing their needs, answering their questions, and providing them with valuable information. But as we know, the digital world never stops evolving. The SEO strategies that worked in 2023 had to adapt and evolve to keep up with changes in search engine algorithms and user behavior. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in the next scenes. Stay tuned as we delve into the shift that occurred in 2024 and how SEO has adapted to these changes. Fast forward to 2024, and the SEO landscape has drastically changed. Gone are the days when SEO was just about stuffing your website with keywords and building a truckload of backlinks. Today, it's all about user experience. The search engines have become more intelligent, more intuitive. They're no longer just looking for keywords or links. Instead, they're analyzing how users interact with your site. They're looking at factors like page load speed, mobile friendliness, and dwell time. They want to know if your site is easy to navigate, if your pages load quickly, and if users are spending time on your site or bouncing right off. Imagine you're a visitor on your own website. If the page takes forever to load, you're probably going to hit the back button. If the site is not mobile friendly and you're on your phone, you'll likely get frustrated and leave. And if the content isn't engaging or relevant, you won't stick around. That's exactly what search engines are looking at too. It's not just about getting people to click on your site anymore, it's about providing a positive experience once they're there. It's about making sure they find what they're looking for quickly and easily. And it's about providing valuable, engaging content that keeps them on your site longer. But it's not just the user experience on your site that matters. It's also about how your site fits into the broader internet ecosystem. Are other reputable sites linking to you? Are people sharing your content on social media? These are all signals that tell search engines your site is valuable and worth ranking. So, what does this all mean for your SEO strategy? It means you need to think beyond keywords and backlinks. You need to focus on creating a site that provides a great user experience. You need to create valuable, engaging content, and you need to promote your site in a way that earns you links and shares. It's clear that in 2024, satisfying the user is key. It's about creating a site that not only draws people in, but also keeps them there. It's about being the best answer to the user's question, the best solution to their problem. And if you can do that, the search engines will reward you. But that's not all. 2024 also saw the rise of entities and semantic search. Now, what does this mean? Well, in simple terms, search engines have become much better at understanding the context and intent behind a user's search query. Before, search engines focused primarily on the keywords in a query, but now they're looking at the whole picture. They're seeing the relationships between words, the nuances in language, the subtle implications behind a phrase. They're no longer just matching keywords, they're comprehending queries. Let's take an example. Suppose a user searches for how to tie a tie. In the past, a search engine might have simply looked for articles with those exact words in the title or body. But now, it understands that the user is likely looking for a step-by-step guide, a video tutorial, or an infographic. It may even understand that the user could be preparing for an event like a job interview or a wedding, and provide related content as well. This rise of entities and semantic search is powered by advancements in natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans. It allows search engines to understand text in a way that's closer to how humans do. This shift towards understanding intent is a huge deal. It means that content creators need to think more about what their audience is truly looking for and how they can provide the most value. It's not enough to just use the right keywords. Your content needs to answer the user's question, solve their problem, or fulfill their need. So how can you adapt to this change? Start by doing a deep dive into your audience, understand their needs, their questions, their problems, then create content that truly answers those questions and solves those problems. Use language that's natural and conversational, since that's what search engines are getting better at understanding. In other words, search engines are getting smarter. And to stay ahead in the game, you need to get smarter too. You need to understand your audience better than ever and create content that truly meets their needs. And so, how do we keep up with these changes? Well, the answer lies in embracing a more holistic approach to SEO. Traditional tactics alone no longer suffice in the face of search engines' evolving sophistication. We've moved beyond a world where keywords and backlinks ruled the roost. Now we're in an era where a well-rounded strategy is key to success. Let's talk about voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, more and more people are using their voices to search the web. It's all about convenience and speed. As such, optimizing your content for voice search is crucial. This means incorporating more conversational language into your content and focusing on long-tail keywords that mimic how people naturally speak. Next, we have schema markup. For the uninitiated, schema markup is a form of microdata that helps search engines better understand your content. It provides explicit clues about the meaning of a page by including structured metadata in the HTML code. By leveraging schema markup, you can improve your website's visibility and increase the chances of appearing in rich snippets on the search results page. And let's not forget about the importance of quality content. In 2024, search engines have gotten better at understanding context and user intent. This means that creating comprehensive, authoritative content that genuinely addresses user needs is more important than ever. It's about providing real value to your audience, not just ticking off SEO checkboxes. Finally, consider diversifying your content. Videos, infographics, and interactive elements can all boost engagement and encourage sharing. They also provide additional avenues for search engines to understand and rank your content. In essence, the SEO landscape in 2024 is all about adaptability. It's about understanding the shifts in search engine algorithms and adjusting your strategies accordingly. It's about embracing new technologies and trends while still staying true to the core principles of providing value and relevance to your audience. The name of the game in 2024 is adaptability. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep adapting. Your SEO success depends on it. So what can we expect for the future of SEO? As we've seen, the transition from 2023 to 2024 has brought significant changes to the SEO landscape. It's moved away from purely technical strategies like keyword stuffing and backlinking. Instead, the focus has shifted towards a more user-centric approach, emphasizing user experience signals and the value of visual content. Entities and semantic search have also gained prominence, making it crucial for us to understand and leverage these concepts in our SEO strategies. We've also highlighted the importance of holistic SEO, which includes optimizing for voice search, leveraging schema markup, and creating comprehensive, authoritative content. In the future, we can expect search engines to continually evolve and become even more sophisticated. SEO is no longer a static field, it's dynamic, constantly changing. Staying updated with these changes is not just beneficial, but essential. Remember, in the world of SEO, those who adapt thrive. Thank you for watching.